Hi everyone, welcome to my new course on how to build a web page using Materialize CSS framework. In this course you will learn to build a web page using HTML5, CSS3, jQuery and Materialize CSS framework. So let's see what we will be making in this course. So this is the web page that we will be creating. This is a kind of a portfolio website for a photographer. At the top here we have the fixed nav bar and I have used material icons as part of the links. Then we have this carousel in a showcase section. In this carousel there is also a banner with some content. You will learn how to implement this. Then we have the about section with some animation as soon as you scroll to this section. Then comes the portfolio section with lightbox feature. So if you click on any image, that image will open up full screen. You will learn how to implement this. Then we have a hire me section with a button and an icon. Then comes the pricing section. After the pricing section, we have the blog section, and when you click on any of the card, we have this reveal which shows some more information. Then we have the contact section with icons in the form field and some neat effects. And finally, we have the footer. So this web page is completely responsive. So if I right click and inspect, so this is how a page will look like in a mobile device. So on a mobile and a tablet device, the nav bar collapses and a hamburger menu is shown, and clicking on it reveals the links from the side. And all the contents are neatly stacked in the small screen devices. The lightbox effect is also working. So let's see the site in an iPad. So this is the iPad version. So this is the overview of the web page that we will be making in this series. So I hope you will learn a lot from this course, and I hope to see you in my next video.